The Presidential Working Party on Education Reforms on Thursday held its session at Tambat Teachers College in the county of Elgeyo Marakwet, where they engaged and sampled views from the members of the public in a day-long meeting.
The community here has raised the question about the cost of implementing CBC, and this is something that we are going to be considering. They have raised the question of the number of teachers, the infrastructure within the county, and these are matters that, of course, they have given suggestions and given ideas on the way forward.
Kwa hivyo na hii uchumi ya Kenya itawamaliza. Tumesema ya kwamba
looking at those teachers who are very active, the good teachers who can be able to lead our schools. So we want to restructure TSC and Ministry of Education to favor merit, to favor hard work, to favor people who can be able to transform our schools. We have creative teachers in our schools, but nowadays you just take someone who has a good job group and anaenda kukaa pale. He destroys the school, wakati imeisha anatolewa hapo when the school is dead. We are requesting that this task force is actually going to transform. And finally, we have requested that every county should have a university. Elgeyo Marakwet County is one of those counties which have been marginalized since devolution.
During the engagement, one of the major concerns raised by parents and stakeholders were the high cost of CBC programs, lack of proper training by teachers, deplorable infrastructural condition, including inadequate classrooms, and minimal engagement of parents and education stakeholders.
Swali yetu ni kuhusu namna ambavyo wanafunzi kutoka grade ya 6 watakavyoweza kuingia katika shule upili, yani junior secondary. Kwa maoni yetu sisi au wanafunzi wanaotoka kwenye shule za msingi kidogo bado ni wachanga, na sisi kama walimu wa shule upili mafundisho yetu sana sana hayakushughulikia masuala ya kuwalinda wanafunzi ambao bado ni wachanga kama wao.
We are not saying it's a bad system, but what we are saying is, are there aspects of CBC that can be borrowed and incorporated into our system? We need to look at ourselves as a country inwardly in terms of what is our strategic direction and what do we need for a country instead of getting the CBC and taking it as a whole system and implementing it at once. So my suggestion would be we have a piecemeal introduction of CBC.
Again, if CBC is going to remain, let it remain in our schools. And third, I think capitation should be across the board.
There is no child who is private. The institution can be private, and ours are mission schools.
In Bungoma County, they held a session at CO Secondary School, Kandui constituency in Bungoma County, after visiting Busia County on Wednesday. In Nyeri County, the team led by Purity Mbababu sampled the views from education stakeholders at Nyeri High School.
And I believe that the Teacher Service Commission is capable of mobilizing for intensive training to make the secondary school teachers ready to take up the junior secondary school.
The Munavu-led team is expected to finalize its report by November 18th, 2022. Elvis Kosgei, KT News, Elgeyo Marakwet County.